Hi everyone, I'm Doc Ken and welcome to Chapter 6 entitled Urinary System. Urinary system is also known as excretory system. The urinary system's function is to filter blood and create urine as a waste byproduct. The body takes nutrients from food and converts them to energy. After the body has taken the food components that it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and in the blood. The kidney and urinary system help the body to eliminate liquid waste called urea and to keep chemicals such as potassium and sodium and water in balance. Urea is produced when foods containing protein such as milk, poultry, and certain vegetables are broken down in the body. Urea is carried in the bloodstream to the kidney where it is removed along with water and other wastes in the form of urine. We have major parts of the urinary system. We have the kidneys, we have the ureters, we have the bladder, we have the sphincter, and lastly, we have the urethra. First, let's talk about kidneys. The kidneys are the primary organs of the urinary system. The kidneys are the organs that filter the blood, remove wastes, and excrete the wastes in the urine. Each kidney is about 4 or 5 inches long, roughly the size of a large fish. The kidneys remove urea from the blood through tiny filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron consists of a ball form of small blood capillaries called a glomerulus and a small tube called a renal tubule. Urea together with water and other waste substances forms the urine as it passes through the nephrons and down the renal tubules of the kidney. Next in line, ureters. Each ureter is a small tube about 25 centimeters long, and these narrow tubes carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Muscles in the ureter's wall continually tighten and relax, forcing urine downward away from the kidney. If urine backs up or is allowed to stand still, a kidney infection can develop. About every 10 to 15 seconds, small amounts of urine are emptied into the bladder from ureters. Let's now proceed to the urinary bladder or simply bladder. This triangle-shaped hollow organ is located in the lower abdomen. It is held in place by ligaments that are attached to other organs and the pelvic bones. The bladder's walls relax and expand to store urine and contract and flatten to empty urine throughout the urethra. The urinary bladder can store up to 500 ml of urine in women and 700 ml in men. People already feel the need to urinate when their bladder has between 200 and 350 ml of urine in it. Next, sphincters. These circular muscles help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. The two muscles are either the male or female external urethral sphincter and the internal urethral sphincter. When either of these muscles contracts, the urethra is sealed shut. And lastly, urethra. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscles to tighten, which squeezes urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscles to relax to let urine exit the bladder throughout the urethra. When all the signals occur in the correct order, normal urination occurs. The urethra is about 8 inches long in men and about 1.5 inches long in women. Facts about urine. Normal, healthy urine is a pale straw or transparent yellow color. Darker yellow or honey-colored urine means you need more water. A darker brownish color may indicate a liver problem or severe dehydration. Pinkish or red urine may mean blood in the urine.